High stereo sound quality. TOZO T10 Earbuds 8mm large size speaker driver. The drive area is 1.77 times than the normal drive area. Delivers powerful bass, lowest 16 Hz, mellow midrange, and clear treble, up to 20 kHz. Reproducing your music vividly. Bluetooth 5.0. Features with the advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology. TOZO T10 earbuds support HSP HFP A2DP AVRCP, which provides instant pairing and stable transmission without interruptions. One-step pairing. Simply take two headsets out from the charging case, and they will connect each other automatically, and then only one step easily enter mobile phone Bluetooth setting to pair the earbuds. IPX8 waterproof. Earbuds and charging case inner nano-coating makes it possible to waterproof for 1 meter deep for 30 minutes. Waterproof and sweatproof lastest technology can effectively prevent from the damage of the splash by sweat and raindrops. Charge on the go. Playtime lasts for over 6 hours from single charge and total 30 hours with charging case. Enjoy fast charging. To fully charge the rechargeable case, only 1.5 hours via fast charge USB-C cable or less than 2 hours via wireless charger. Providing convenient charging way with no strings attached. Ergonomic design. The shape of T10 perfectly fits the curve of inner contour of ear. With round soft silicone ear tips, it can offer more wearing stability and comfort when in use. Whether you running or jumping, the earbuds will stay in ear securely. Advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology support HSP HFP A2DP AVRCP. Provides in-call stereo sound. Greatly improve the transmission speed and providing you with a low latency listening experience. The 8.0mm drive area is 1.77 times than the normal drive area. TOZO acoustic experts focus on precise acoustic tuning and find out the best sound characteristics for human hearing sensitivity. Accurately adjust every detail to achieve a perfect balance of bass, midrange and treble. TOZO T10 provide powerful bass, lowest 16 Hz, mellow midrange, and clear treble, up to 20 kHz. Reappearing every detail of the music vividly. Both earbuds and charging case are IPX8 waterproof protection. IPX8 waterproof nano-coating efficiently protects the earbuds and charging case from the damage of the splash by sweat and raindrops. Earbuds and case even can be washed by water and soap. No need to worry when you wear it while running, skiing, etc., not for swimming. One-step pairing. Pick up two headsets from the charging case and they will connect each other automatically. Then only one step easily enter mobile phone's Bluetooth setting and choose TOZO T10 inches to pair the earbuds. Note: if you accidentally get only one earbud paired with phone, please try reset options. PLs refer reset. Details in manual. Upgraded faster wireless charging. Enjoy fast charging. To fully charge the rechargeable case, only 1.5 hours via fast charge USB-C cable or less than 2 hours via wireless charger. Playtime lasts for over 6 hours from single charge and total 30 hours with charging case. The charging case is compatible with most of wireless chargers.
Link to purchase in the description.